learning video. I hope you are all doing well and ready to explore something really interesting. Today, we are going to talk about the properties of light. Now, light is something we see every single day, right? But we often forget how amazing it actually is. Light has so many unique behaviors that happen all around us, even in the simplest things like look through a window, seeing a rainbow, or watching your own reflection in a mirror. So, before we begin, take a moment to get comfortable. Look around the room you're in. Notice the light, the shadows, the reflection. Those simple things are part of what we'll learning today. Alright, if you're ready, let's begin our journey into the world of light. Light travels in a straight line. The first property is that light travels in a straight line. You can see this when sunlight enters a dark room through a tiny hole. It forms a sharp, straight beam because there's nothing blocking or change its path. If you've ever been in a dusty room and noticed sunlight shining through the window, you might see little particles floating in that straight beam. That's another proof that light moves straight. And believe it or not, many optical illusions and even magic tricks depend on this simple rule. So, behind something that looks mysterious, there's usually just basic straight line like behavior happening. Light passes through transparent object. Next, light can pass through transparent object. This is why windows let us see outside. Why we can see fish in an aquarium, and why a room becomes bright when sunlight enters through glass. If transparent object didn't exist or didn't allow light to pass through, imagine how dark our homes, cars, or classroom would be. We rely on this property every day without even thinking about it. Light can be decomposed. Now, this one is beautiful light can be decomposed. White light is actually made up of many colors. When it passes through a prism or tiny raindrops, it separates into red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, the colors of the rainbow. This is why rainbows appear after the rain. And honestly, who doesn't love seeing a rainbow? It always feels magical, but the science behind it is quite simple. This process is also used in camera, in scientific tools, and in color separation technology. So, every time you take a picture, you are working with the composite light. Light experience diffraction. Another interesting property is diffraction. Diffraction happens when light bends as it passes through a very narrow opening. For example, if light passes through a tiny gap in a window or through a small hole, it can form a pattern of bright and dark areas. This bending of light also explains why some insects like the blue morpho butterfly seem to shine with amazing color. Their wings reflect and diffract light in ways that create beautiful patterns. So, even in nature, diffraction plays a big role in what we see. Light can be reflected. Next, light can be reflected. That's the reason mirrors exist. When light hits a smooth surface like a mirror, it bounces back in one direction. This is called regular reflection. But when light hits a rock surface like a wall or paper, it scatters in many directions. This is called diffuse reflection. Reflection is used in many things: periscopes, flashlight, cameras, and even car headlights. So, the next time you look in a mirror or see light shining strongly from a lamp, remember that reflection is working hard behind the scans. Light can be refracted. The last property is refraction. Refraction occurs when light bends as it moves from one medium to another, like from air to water or water to glass. A common example is a pencil inside a glass of water. It looks bent or broken even though it's perfectly straight. You may also notice that fish in a pond look closer to the surface than they really are. That's because the light bends before reaching your eyes. Refraction is used in eyeglasses, microscopes, telescopes, and even your smartphone camera. So, every photo you take involves a little bit of refraction. Conclusion: to submit it all up, light has several important properties. 1. It travels in a straight line. 2. It passes through a transparent object. 3. It can be decomposed. 4. It experiences diffraction. 5. It can be reflected. And 6. It can be refracted. These properties help us understand everything we see around us. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope this video helps you understand light in a fun and simple way. If something still feels confusing, that's okay. Just rewatch the part you need or ask your teacher for help. Learning is a process and every question helps you grow. Don't forget to complete your assignment and most importantly, keep your spirit high and continue learning new this every day. See you in the next video.